Hey guys, this is Massimo from TecboostTV, bringing you a review and unboxing on the simple uLinx dock connector to USB cable. It is 1 meter, as you can see, which is 3.3 feet. Sorry about the tag, I tried to rip it off. It is made for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod, and it has a 1-year warranty. Alright, here is everything. The information on the back, the front of the packaging, and the connector itself. Here it is. It has a very nice feel to it. It's soft. It does look hard, like, maybe scratchy from the camera, but it is very soft. Here's the USB connector, and here is to the iPhone, iPad, and iPod. And it is really nice. It's definitely worth it. This was $25, and that's about it. Alright guys, this is Massimo from TecboostTV, and I hope you enjoyed the review. Also, a little quick video with show you the various iPhone, iPad. This is the little brick. Here it is. Looks pretty cool. Here's the iPhone one. Looks different, yeah. And here is the Scotchy double, which will be in the description below. I did a review about this connector. Alright, see you guys.